Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know, that we were on unit number 8, that is the world around us. Okay, so in that unit, we have to start, today we have to start with a new topic, that is bridge the gap, which is given at page number 54. So all of you kindly open your books at page number 54, that is bridge the gap. Okay, so the page number is 54. So I'm just writing the topic here, that is unit 8. Topic is bridge the gap. Bridge the gap, that is given at page number 54. Bridge the gap. So in this topic we'll talk about some of the famous bridges all over the world. The first is from long bridges to structures of steel and the concrete. Bridges are some of the world's best engineering marvels. Read about some famous bridges here. So now we will talk about some of the famous bridges of the world. Okay, so the first is, okay, Brooklyn Bridge. So the first bridge is the Brooklyn Bridge. Completed in 1883, the Brooklyn Bridge connects Brooklyn with the Manhattan through the East River. For a long time, it was the longest suspension bridge in the world and has become an iconic landmark of the New York City. Okay, the bridge has a wide pedestrian walkway open to the cyclist and the people on the foot. Okay, so before starting with the before starting with the different bridge, I like to tell you about the different types of bridge. So basically, there are 3 types of bridges. Okay, not only 3, there are certain other bridges. So I'll just tell you the main 3 bridges. Okay. So first bridge. Okay, so I'm just telling you the types of bridges. Types of bridges. What are the various types of bridges? So the first one is, okay, so this is the first bridge that I am drawing here. Okay. Okay, so these are all the types of bridges here. This is the first type of bridge that I have drawn here. This is an arc-shaped bridge. This is arc bridge or arc-shaped bridge. This is arched bridge. This is arched bridge. Now why it is known as arched bridge? देखिए arc क्या होता है? The half of circle. जो circle का half हो जब हम draw करते हैं, that is known as arc. So this is an arc. So this is called as arc. Okay. So this is in this shape. This bridge. This is एक देखिए ये bridge देखने में एक arc shape में है. So that's why it is known as arched bridge. Okay. This is arched bridge. Next is cantilever bridge. Okay, so now the next bridge we'll talk about, that is cantilever bridge. Okay, so the next bridge is cantilever bridge. Okay, so it looks like this little bit. Okay. This is a kind of bridge here, and okay, so this is the shape of the bridge. cantilever bridge. Okay, so this is cantilever bridge. What is the name of this bridge? That is cantilever bridge. This is cantilever bridge. Now what is cantilever bridge? So cantilever bridges, they are in this shape. So here they are supporting each other. So this is kind of a supportive. Okay, so this is a form of a. This is the types of bridges are classified on the basis of their shapes. Okay, तो उनकी shapes के basis के ऊपर we are classifying the types of bridges. So this is an arc shape, so that's why it is an arc bridge. Similarly, this is the second one is an cantilever bridge. Okay, this is cantilever bridge. Okay, just understand the shape. Okay, तो अगर आपसे पूछा था that the first question में suppose ने लिखा है that this bridge was in a cantilever bridge. So cantilever bridge means the shape of that bridge should be like this only. So that's why it is known as cantilever bridge. Third bridge is, so now we will talk about the third one. Third form of bridges, that is suspension bridge. So now we will talk about the next type of bridge, that is suspension bridge. Okay, so this is suspension suspension bridge. Okay, now it is not like this only, so they are connected with the wires here. Okay, so this is the here I have drawn this, that is okay, so what is this? This bridge is known as suspension bridge. This is the shape of suspension bridge. Okay, this is another form of bridge, that is suspension bridge. Okay, so now I'll move to the topic, that is Brooklyn Bridge. This is the shape of the suspension bridge only. So if we talk about the first paragraph, so that it is written, completed in 1883, the Brooklyn Bridge connects Brooklyn with the Manhattan through the East River. For a long time, it was the longest suspension bridge. So that means that Brooklyn Bridge, that looks like this. उसका जो shape है ये है, because that's a suspension bridge. Okay, so that's a suspension bridge. Brooklyn Bridge was the suspension bridge. So that means it must be looking like this only. Okay, so now let's talk about the Brooklyn Bridge. So let's discuss the features of Brooklyn Bridge. What are the various features of Brooklyn Bridge? The first bridge we'll talk about, that is Brooklyn Bridge. Brooklyn Bridge. Now what is Brooklyn Bridge? So Brooklyn Bridge, okay, so it was completed in the year 1883. So by the year 1883, this bridge was completed, its construction was totally completed. Okay, and how देखिए जब कोई bridge बनता है, so definitely it must be connecting something with some other thing. तो generally किसी न किसी चीज़ को एक दूसरे से connect करते हैं. So if we talk about the Brooklyn Bridge, so this Brooklyn Bridge, it connects Brooklyn with the Manhattan. तो ब्रुकलिन मैनहट्टन को एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट करता था. ओके, दिस ब्रिज ब्रुकलिन ब्रिज, इट कनेक्ट्स ब्रुकलिन विद द मैनहट्टन सिटी. सो दैट्स व्हाई द नेम इज गिवन द ब्रुकलिन ब्रिज, एंड इट वाज कंप्लीटेड इन द ईयर 1883, एंड इट वाज बिल्ट ऑन द ईस्ट रिवर, दैट इज बिटवीन द मैनहट्टन एंड द ब्रुकलिन. सो ब्रुकलिन एंड मैनहट्टन के बीच में जो ईस्ट रिवर थी, सो दैट ब्रिज कनेक्ट्स बोथ दीज सिटीज, दैट इज ब्रुकलिन एंड मैनहट्टन. Okay, and it was the longest suspension bridge in the world and has become an iconic landmark of the New York City. For a long time, It was the longest suspension bridge in the world and it has and became an iconic landmark of the New York City. तो कहते काफ़ी समय तक this was one of the world's longest suspension bridge. दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा longest काफ़ी देर तक it was the world's longest suspension bridge. But later on some other suspension bridges were constructed that was quite more longer than this Brooklyn Bridge. Okay, so इसके बाद से वो नाम हट गया. So काफ़ी समय तक this was the one of the longest suspension bridge in the world and that's why it serves as an iconic landmark for the New York City as well. इसीलिए उसको न्यू यॉर्क सिटी का एक आइकॉनिक लैंडमार्क भी कहा जाता है. The bridge has a wide pedestrian walkway open to the cyclists and the people on the foot. So it has quite very wide, काफ़ी चौड़ा pedestrian है. So where the people can walk and the cyclists they can do the cycling. So जो लोग साइकिल चलाते हैं they are known as cyclists. Okay, so it has a quite very wide space for the people who go on foot and the people who people who for the cyclists, for people who ride on cycles. Okay, so that is Brooklyn Bridge. Okay, so let's discuss its feature. That is completed in, so Brooklyn Bridge was completed in 1883. Okay, it connects, okay, so it connects Brooklyn with Manhattan. It connects Brooklyn with Manhattan, M-A-N-H-A-T-T-A-N. So it connects Brooklyn with the Manhattan. Okay. So where it is constructed, it is built on, it was built on East River. It was built on East River. Okay, and it has, okay, so this is, was built on East River. Okay, so this is Brooklyn, not Broccoli, it is Brooklyn Bridge. Second is Qingdao-Havan Bridge. So the next bridge is Qingdao-Havan Bridge. So the name is little bit different. Okay, that is Qingdao, Q-I-N-G, Qingdao, D-A-O, Havan Bridge, H-A-I-W-A-N, Qingdao-Havan Bridge. Okay, so where is it located? It is located in China. Okay, so Brooklyn Bridge is located in New York. Okay, it is in New York. Okay, so the next bridge we are talking about, that is located in China. So let's read about it. The world's longest bridge over water is the Qingdao-Havan Bridge in China. It was opened in the year 2007. The bridge is 42.4 km long. The bridge has 6 lanes to serve an estimated 30,000 cars each day. So now we are talking about one of the longest bridge built on water. One of the world's longest bridge that is built on water, that is Qingdao-Havan Bridge. So Qingdao-Havan Bridge is the world's longest bridge that is built on water. तो पानी के ऊपर बनने वाला सबसे लंबा दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा ब्रिज कौन सा? That is Qingdao-Havan Bridge that is located in China. Okay, it is what is the length? Okay, so also not what is the distance that is covered in this by this bridge. Okay, so it is 42.4 kilometer long. So the length of this bridge is 42.4 kilometers. So this bridge is 42.4 kilometer long and it has 6 lanes. Okay, so it has 6 lanes. इसमें ऊपर 6 lanes हैं which connects. Okay, so it has 6 lanes that connects. 6 lanes which can serve near about 30,000 cars per day. इसके ऊपर 30,000 cars है जिससे कि हर रोज़ नियर अबाउट 30,000 cars they passes through this Bridge. Okay, so that is quite very big bridge that is located in China. So what is the name of the bridge? That is Qingdao Haiwan Bridge. Okay, so let's discuss its feature. Okay, so I'll discuss it after this. Okay, so let's discuss the second one, that is Qingdao Haiwan Bridge. Second one, Qingdao, K-I-Q-I-N-G, Qingdao Haiwan Bridge. Qingdao Haiwan Bridge. So where is it located? This Qingdao Haiwan Bridge is located in China. Okay, so the first point is, okay, it is located in China. So Qingdao Haiwan Bridge is located in China. Second is, okay, it is the world's longest bridge built on water. This is the world's longest bridge built on over water. This is the world's longest bridge built on water. World's longest bridge built on water. Okay, so what is the length of this bridge? Okay, so it is about, so it was open, okay, so this bridge is 42.4 kilometer long. So the length of the bridge is, length of bridge is 42.4 kilometers. So this is the length of the bridge, that is 42.4 kilometers. Okay, and it serves, okay, so it serves 30,000 cars per day. It serves 30,000 cars per day. Okay, so it serves near about 30,000 cars per day. Okay, and it has 6 lanes. Okay, okay, another thing is it has 6 lanes. That means 3 lanes to come, 3 lanes to go. So that means देखिए आने जाने वाली 2 lanes होती हैं. ओके, सम एक आने की होती है, एक जाने की होती है ऑन द रोड. सो 3 हैं जाने के लिए and 3 is for come. Okay, so this is it has 6 lanes. Okay, so this is the सबसे important thing about this is the world's longest bridge built on water. This is the world's, दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा ब्रिज है that is built on water. That is Qingdao Haiwan Bridge. Okay, चलिए. So this was Qingdao Haiwan Bridge. So after this we have certain other bridges as well. 4 bridges are more there. So for today the time is near about to end. So for today I am just ending the session, okay, with this only. So in this topic we had discussed the different types of bridges. The first is arc bridge, suspension bridge, and the third is cantilever bridge. So okay, so देखिए in our rope bridge, you must have heard about the rope bridge. Okay, so there is a bridge that is in क्या बोलते हैं, I think that is in Japan. That is one of the longest rope bridge in the world. So we will talk about various other bridges in the world that are located already in the world. So that we will continue in the next session. So for today I am just ending the session here only, class. So I hope you very good health. Sorry, I wish you a very good health and stay safe. Okay, have a good day.